Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. What if I told you that a forgotten airstrip from the 1971 war could soon become a ground zero for a brand new Cold War in South Asia? Ji haan. As you can see here, the headlines in the news: India to dust of 1971 war, air base to counter Bangladesh China turn. Ji haan. So what if I told you that the next big geopolitical flashpoint is not Taiwan or Ukraine, but a tiny strip of land just 22 kilometers wide in eastern India? So welcome to the Siliguri Corridor, India's fragile lifeline to the northeastern states. And now, today, it has become a potential battlefield in the high stakes game between India, China and Bangladesh. So today we are diving into a real life geopolitical thriller. Now, how a Chinese funded air base in Bangladesh has triggered alarms bell in New Delhi. Okay. Why India is rushing to bring back to life decades old airport that once launched a freedom fighters in 1971, and how this tug of war could redraw power equations not just in South Asia but across Indo-Pacific region. So this is not just about airports or airstrips. It is about sovereignty. It is about strategy. It is about survival. Whether you are watching from New York, Dhaka, London or Delhi, this story affects you. So hit that subscribe button, because what you are about to hear is not in your textbooks. So let's begin. First of all, what is happening? So let's try to understand the context of the news here. See, India is worried about China. India is worried that China might help Bangladesh in bringing back an old air base which is called as Lalmoni Harat. कि चाइना हेल्प कर रहा है बांग्लादेश की इस एयरबेस को रिवाइव करने में, which is located in Rangpur district, Rangpur division of northern Bangladesh. अब सवाल ये उठता है, why is this a problem for India? Lalmoni Harat, why it is a problem for India? Now let me tell you, this Lalmoni Harat air base is less than 20 kilometers. जी हाँ, it is less than 20 kilometers. Less than this 20 kilometer from India Bangladesh border, and also it is less than 20 kilometer from the Siliguri corridor, which is also called as Chicken Neck corridor, and this corridor is strategic in nature. Now this Siliguri corridor is a narrow 22 kilometer wide. Now this is 22 kilometer wide narrow strip, okay, that connects mainland India to the 7 northeastern states. जी हाँ, तो ये जो स्ट्रिप है सिलगुरी कॉरिडोर की, इट कनेक्ट्स इंडिया विद 7 नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स, एज यू कैन सी हियर, मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम, मणिपुर, all these states. Okay, now if China builds this base, अब सवाल ये उठता है, if China builds this space, then it may bring in the fighter jets, radar, surveillance equipment, etc. in this Siliguri corridor region. Now with this, China can also gain a military foothold which is very close to the sensitive area of India. Now what is going on in Bangladesh? अब बांग्लादेश में क्या चल रहा है? तो अगर हम बांग्लादेश की बात करें, लास्ट ईयर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ शेख हसीना, who was the former prime minister, fell in August 2024, and her fall was caused by the student-led protest in Bangladesh. Now, the student-led protest was against the job and college quotas for the war veterans, which was given to the war veterans. Now, after that, an interim government was formed under the Nobel Laureate Prize winner, that is Muhammad Yunus. But he has not announced any elections yet. ये जो गवर्नमेंट, इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट, this was not elected government, so he hasn't announced any elections yet. now he is seen as less friendly to India but has reached out to China as well as Pakistan. अब ये था अभी तक का कॉन्टेक्स्ट. अब सवाल ये उठता है, हाउ इज इंडिया रेस्पॉन्डिंग नाउ? तो अब इंडिया क्या करेगा? अगर तुम लालमोनी हरद बनाओगे, रिवाइव करोगे, तो इंडिया भी अपना एयरबेस रिवाइव करेगा. और वो कौन सा एयरबेस है? दैट इज कैलाशहर एयरबेस विच इज इन नॉर्दर्न त्रिपुरा. एज यू कैन सी दिस इमेज. जी हाँ. So India is planning to revive an old airport in the Kailashahar in northern Tripura region, which is near to the Bangladesh border. And that now this Kailashahar air base, which was shut down in 1990s. Now, अब क्या हुआ? So on 26th May 2025, a team of the Airport Authority of India, they have visited to the Kailashahar airport to inspect its condition. Now, अब उस टीम ने कहा that this airport may still be used for the civil aviation, but it will also be upgraded so that Air Force fighter jets as well as planes can use it in the emergency or a war. Now, let's try to understand a bit of history. Why is कैलाशहर एयरपोर्ट इंपॉर्टेंट? अब ये कैलाशहर एयरपोर्ट क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो आइए समझते हैं. तो एज ये आप पिक्चर देख रहे होंगे, काफी पुरानी पिक्चर है. 1971 इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर. सो इन द ईयर 1971 इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर, द एयरपोर्ट कैलाशहर, दिस एयरपोर्ट वाज यूज्ड बाय द किलो फाइट. समझ में आ रहा है? इस एयरपोर्ट को कौन सी फ्लाइट ने यूज किया था? Kailashahar airport was used by the Kilo flight in 1971 India-Pakistan war. Now, Kilo flight, a Bangladeshi resistance air unit under the control of Indian Air Force. जी हाँ, Kilo flight के लिए यूज किया गया था इस एयरपोर्ट को, है ना, इस एयरबेस को. Now, अब Kilo flight कैसे ऑपरेट की जाती है? A Kilo flight is operated with Canadian made DHC-3 Otter plane. It is operated with DHC-3 Otter plane. A French made Aleut-2 helicopter, that is with rockets as well as machine guns. Now, a US made DC-3 Dakota for transport also. जी हाँ. So this group, ये जो ग्रुप है, that is Kilo flight का, this group later became the Bangladesh airport or you can say Air Force, है ना. So ये ग्रुप जो है बाद में क्या बन गया? बांग्लादेश Air Force. Now, why else is कैलाशहर एयरपोर्ट इंपॉर्टेंट? अब कैलाशहर एयरपोर्ट और क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो अब आइए इसकी स्ट्रैटेजिक इंपॉर्टेंस समझते हैं, है ना. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू, त्रिपुरा अगर हम देखें, त्रिपुरा हैज ओनली वन मेजर एयरपोर्ट राइट नाउ इन अगरतला, विच इज द स्टेट कैपिटल ऑफ त्रिपुरा, विच इज कॉल्ड एज अगरतला एयरपोर्ट. नाउ अगर गवर्नमेंट कैलाशहर एयरपोर्ट को रीस्टोर करेगी तो इससे त्रिपुरा का भी फायदा होगा. कैसे? सो रीस्टोरिंग दिस कैलाशहर एयरपोर्ट विल इंप्रूव द एयर कनेक्टिविटी in northern Tripura region. It is going to improve the air connectivity in northern Tripura. First thing. Second, this will also show India's presence near the Bangladesh and China zone of activity. तो ये स्ट्रैटेजिक इंपॉर्टेंस है इस एयरपोर्ट की. सो ओवरऑल अगर हम न्यूज देखें, so India is reviving a historic air base in Tripura to respond to China, possibly helping Bangladesh revive a military air base which is very close to a sensitive area that is near the Siliguri corridor. Now, how is it beneficial for India? अब इंडिया के लिए beneficial कैसे है? So, reviving the Kailashahar airport in Tripura is beneficial for India in several strategic, military and developmental ways, especially given the possible China-Bangladesh collaboration at Lalmonihar Air Base. Okay. So, now I am going to tell you how it is beneficial for India. पहली चीज क्या है? First importance है national security and military readiness. नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एंड मिलिट्री रेडीनेस। कैसे? इफ यू सी द लोकेशन, है ना, स्ट्रैटेजिक, कैलाशहर इज द स्ट्रैटेजिक लोकेशन यहां पर नॉर्दर्न त्रिपुरा। ओके, Kalashahar airport is having the strategic location. It is close to the Bangladesh border and not far from the Siliguri corridor, that is Chicken's Neck, which is vulnerable but crucial link between mainland India and its northeastern states. Now, this airport can also counter the Chinese presence. Now, if China helps in building Lalmoni Harat Air Base just 20 kilometers from the Indian border, then India having an upgraded air base nearby ensures it can monitor, respond or deploy the military aircraft quickly if needed. Third thing is dual use infrastructure. जी हाँ, dual use infrastructure. Even if Kalashahar airport is a civil airport, India will upgrade it to allow the Air Force fighter jets also as well as refueling purpose, so that India can ensure that it can be used in the wartime or emergencies. Okay, then another importance, another significance of this is it can improve the connectivity. जी हाँ, it can improve the connectivity. Now, how is going to improve the connectivity, especially air connectivity in northeast? जी हाँ, this is the only major airport in Tripura now. Right now there is only one major airport. अभी याद रखिएगा, त्रिपुरा में सिर्फ एक ही major airport है, that is Agartala airport. Now the state currently relies heavily on Agartala airport, and if state revive this Kalashahar airport, this can spread the air connectivity to the northern Tripura. It is going to benefit the local people, also economic development. Then it can also boost the tourism. जी हाँ, tourism as well as trade. Now, better air infrastructure, it helps in tourism, it helps in trade, it helps in connectivity in a region that often isolated due to terrain. Then another significance is reviving a symbolic war asset. जी हाँ, another beneficial thing, revival of symbolic war asset. Symbolic war asset. Now, if you see this historical significance, so Kalashahar airport was used during the 1971 India-Pakistan war by the Bangladeshi Kilo flight under the Indian Air Forces. Clear? Now, reviving it a symbolic reminder of India's role in Bangladesh liberation. अगर इसको रिवाइव किया तो इंडिया का सिंबॉलिक रोल सामने आएगा कि हमारा तुम्हें लिबरेट कराने में कितना बड़ा हाथ था, and its ongoing strategic interest in the region. Now, another beneficial thing here is it can also, reviving the Kalashahar airport can also give message to China and Bangladesh. अब ये कैसे मैसेज देगा चाइना और बांग्लादेश को? It can give a message to China and Bangladesh. Now how? So let me tell you, soft power and deterrence. While the air, if you see, while the air base won't be directly aggressive, but it sends a clear message that India is watching the developments and prepared to respond in any manner. Then second thing is diplomatic signaling. It shows that India is not passive player. India is capable both in military as well as both military countermeasures also as well as infrastructure development in the sensitive regions. So overall, if you see, reviving this airport, that is Kalashahar airport in northern Tripura, it will help in securing the northeast region as well as Siliguri corridor. Second, it can also deter the Chinese military presence near the border. It can improve the local air connectivity as well as development. It can also reclaim a strategic as well as symbolic war site. Then it can also send a strong geopolitical message to both Bangladesh and China. So it is a smart mix of security, strategy and development. समझ में आ रहा है? So in a world where battles are no longer fought just with tanks and troops, but with runways also, with radars also, as well as real politic, which is a forgotten airstrip that can change the course of nations. So for India, reviving this Kailashahar airport is not just an act of nostalgia, it is a message, a warning to adversaries, a signal of readiness, and perhaps a quiet hope for peace through strength. So meanwhile, in Bangladesh, a new government, a new direction, a familiar player, that is China, lurks behind the curtain. As borders blur and alliances shift, one thing is clear: the next front lines may be closer than we think, not just on maps, but in minds. And if you found this video eye-opening, imagine how many others need to see it. So drop your thoughts in the comment section, share this with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon, because in this fast changing world, knowledge is your best defense. So this was Legacy IAS Academy, bringing the global stories that matter right to your screen. Thank you so much.